Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have a video today on my Black Beauty BFF. I have this all packed up. We're going on a little road trip where we're going to be out quite late, so I have like stuff like pajamas and stuff packed up in here, and we're going to a restaurant as well, so just kind of stuff for that. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you how I have it packed up. As I said, this is the Black Beauty. This is a really pretty print. I really love this. It's a very wintry print, I think. It just reminds me of winter, but anyway. So this has a messenger strap that I'm not using right now, but it does have the backpack straps, which are great because the BFF is actually very comfortable to carry. I find this a little more comfortable than the BRB. So anyway, I'll go ahead and start off in this back change pad pocket here. I just have a Microtech in here in the Unikiki 2.0, and in here this just has an iPad mini, just in case. If all else fails, we will use that in the car. Nothing in this bottle pocket. My older kids will have their water bottles with them in the car, and I just have an extra one in here. This is just a little funtainer, and like I said, they're all going to have their drinks with them in their car seats. So it has the tech pocket up the top here. I don't have anything in there right now, but I will put my phone in there. Over in the front mommy pocket, all I have in here is a Be Rich wallet and the small set piece from the ... and that just has charger stuff for my phone. I didn't want to overfill this pocket too much because it's going to make the bag really heavy, and it was kind of heavy enough as it is. So going into the main part of the bag, this is how I have it packed up. I have nothing in these pockets, but sat right on top here I have a couple of these fingerling things that my girls really like. I have a Y pouch, and then in the main part of the bag here I have the a Space Place Be Quick, and this just has there's a bedtime pull-up, it has pajamas, I have a wet bag, I have a change of clothes in there as well, just in case. And then over in these back pockets here I have a play pack case, and this is just stuff for when we get to the restaurant, really. I have a small Be Organized with some magnetic shapes in there. I have another small Be Organized, and that just has a wooden puzzle. And then over in this side pocket here I have a Rad Heart small set piece, and that just has the Rory's Story Cubes in there. My older kids really love these. They have a great time playing with these, and I only give them to them when we're at a restaurant or something, so they don't see them all the time, so it's like giving them a new toy each time. Over in this side pocket I have a medium set piece, and that is just a med kit and some mummy stuff in there, and that's the ... with Black Beauty. It doesn't look too bad, I don't think. And then I have nothing in this zipper pocket here, but in here I just have some of the nose wipes. So that's it for the main part of the bag. There's a front zipper pocket here, and this just has some emergency snacks, just in case. I have a whole bunch of them in here, just as a little backup in case we get stuck in traffic or anything like that. So that was pretty much it. Like I say, I'm not going to be walking around with this bag. It's just we're going to be in the car and going to a restaurant and just to a couple of other places. But we are going quite far, so I just wanted to make sure I had enough stuff with me. And this is the perfect bag because, like I say, it's really easy to carry, and I'm really loving this print right now. I absolutely love it on the BFF. I got this at the Bala sale, and I think I paid $38 Canadian, or was it 50? Maybe 50 Canadian. I don't know. Whatever I paid, it was an excellent price, so I was really happy to see that. Anyway, if you have any questions, please comment below, and thanks for watching.